Hey guys, so we're back with a new video. Today we're gonna be trying foreign snacks.
Foreign snacks. We got the 99 Ranch Market.
Yeah.
And,
so we vlogged a little bit while we were there.
Yeah. We're gonna show you when we got it. We don't know where these candies are from.
So that's a quick disclaimer.
Yeah, we don't want to like offend or...
We don't want to offend anybody.
Yeah, like some people might take it the wrong way and that's not the intentions here.
Yeah. So, like I said, we vlogged while we went to go get these snacks. So we're going to put this footage in right now.
Well, as you guys saw in the title, we're going to be trying candies from...
We're just going to be doing a trying foreign candies challenge.
Trying foreign candy. We're going to see what kind of candy we get. But yeah, right now we're on our way to go grab it. Pulling up. This is where the foreign candy's at. 99 King Ranch, right down Pioneer. We found the candy aisle, but this is kind of harder than we thought because they basically have the same things they have here, you know? So we're like looking to find something that would make it interesting, you know? Because this is like, oh, we can try like chips and stuff like that, but I'm like, chips are chips. Got it, we're gonna go home. So
put your seatbelt on.
We got it, we're gonna go home and we're gonna like, you know, film everything and show you guys the crazy stuff we got.
Okay guys, so this is the first thing that we're gonna start off with. Like we said, quick disclaimer, we don't know how to pronounce any of these things. Right,
made in Japan, that's all we know.
Oh, it says that?
Yeah, that's all we know, okay?
From what it says bubbly soda.
Bubbly soda. And oh, okay, look, so the product name is Puchao Chewy Candy Soda, and there's two flavors.
There's a cola flavor and a Ramune soda.
And yeah, that's basically what it looks like.
So let's open it up and try it. Which one should we try first?
Alright, well, I want to try the blue one because cola, I mean, everybody has had cola candy.
Well, we're going to try both of them actually, but this is what we're trying first. So this is Ramune soda.
Ramune soda, we don't know what that is. We don't even know if we're saying it right, you know. And we're not. Sorry about that.
Let's try.
We're gonna give it a try.
1, 2, 3.
That's just hard. Really, really hard. I put the soda.
It popped in your mouth? Wait.
I can't taste anything because it's so hard to chew.
Honestly, it's not bad. I think it's pretty good. Like at first, it was a little weird, but now it's not like really bad.
It's cool.
Yeah, I don't think I'm ever gonna finish chewing this.
It's really, really hard, guys. You gotta try the cola one. Yeah, I just know it's gonna take a long time.
Oh, I feel like the cola one's gonna be nasty. I feel like anything
Coca-Cola
that's food and it's just Coca-Cola flavor is just not like this. Don't mix it. I'm not even drinking the first one.
Cola. Let's give this a try.
You got away from me.
Spit it out.
I was stuck on my tooth. Right.
So the Coca-Cola.
Coco.
So this is how the cola one looks. It's like brown. Expected to be brown because of Coca-Cola, I guess. So yeah, let's give this a try.
Ew, it tastes like.
It
it smells like the can when you take on the recycling center.
Tastes like cola like right away.
I don't even want to chew it anymore. I'm tired of chewing already. This is the first snack.
You want a jawline? This is what you need to do.
I don't like it.
I feel like I've had these. Everybody has had.
I feel like everybody's had those.
So the flavors are lychee, mango, peach, and grape. we have to
We're
try?
not gonna try all of them.
Yeah.
That's a little too much.
That's too much. So I think I'm gonna go ahead and try mango.
For sure.
You want? Okay, you can have mango, and
I'll do mango because I don't know what the other one.
I'll do grape.
We're gonna eat it.
We're gonna eat it. Oh, I'm gonna eat it.
Damn, Mama, you're struggling. How did you do that?
I used to eat Jello all the time as a kid.
Me too. Look at me.
All right, look. This is lychee. I'm gonna try it already. So this is the trick to these guys. You squeeze at the bottom. You'll make sure everything comes out all together.
Damn. You're acting like you're eating an oyster or something.
Oysters are fire. It was good. Everybody has had those.
I can't open it.
Let me open this for her. All those.
Never gonna get open.
It's
Huh?
never gonna get open. And I'm not gonna open it either.
Do I have to slip the whole thing like you?
Yeah, it's
How do you do that? Like, I've never eaten these before.
let me teach you the trick is at the bottom, guys. You know, squeeze.
Oh, yeah. Let me do it.
This time I'm gonna look and choose.
Don't look.
I wanna try.
I'm not even done with my
I
cup,
know.
baby boy.
Go.
You're hungry?
Yeah. Oh. I thought it was coming up from the bottom. I thought it was broken. It was like slurping out. I was tripping out. Oh my god. What the heck? Bro, damn.
Oh, that's good.
What's going on? Think about it. Alright.
I don't like doing anything like that. Hold on, I'm not even done eating. Guys, I want to put this out.
Made it boiled.
Well, we're gonna go ahead and do the ramen. I guess you can call this noodle soup. Soup in a bowl. I don't know.
Soup in a bowl.
But we're not trying to offend nobody. But we got.
Am I saying soup in a bowl? So guys, this is how it looks on the inside. It has like little packets and everything.
Yeah.
So
I guess the flavors. I still don't know if we're gonna use them. I feel like we should, just because it's like part of the soup.
Obviously. It smells really good, huh?
It does smell good, but
It's hot.
just go take another champ. I'm sure it's gonna be good.
That's actually really good. I like it. I'm about to start buying these. Spicy, but it's not like exaggerated spicy. Like, it's like a good spicy.
I heard
That's really good. I want it.
to digest these, it's like a really, really long time. Don't quote me on it though, but that's what I heard. I don't like it.
You don't like it? Why?
It's nasty.
You're tripping. He's tripping, guys, because this shit's
It's not good. Like at all. She's probably gonna eat that the rest of the video.
Ooh, it's
but-
hot. It's hot. I can't eat it.
On to the next snack. So we just had soup. So what happens when you eat food? You gotta drink something. We have 3 drinks. So I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one first because this is the least one I want to try.
Why? It's pineapple.
It just looks like it's straight up sugar. 52% sugar. 52% of this drink is made of sugar. Like a straight up, like when we were looking at it, I was like, I don't want to try it. Because it just straight up looks like syrup, sugar. I don't know what you want to call it. But
That's nasty.
it's pineapple flavor. 25% pineapple juice with coconut. Damn, straight sugar. Not gonna lie. It does not smell like something you want to drink, to be honest. Like if you want your stomach to hurt because of just how sweet something is, it's gonna be this. Or just anything like internal that's really sweet. Gotta chew. That's what it says. You wanna try
Gotta
it
chew your
first?
drink.
I'm pretty sure it's gonna be good because,
Pineapple.
yeah, you know, it's sweet.
I just don't like the thought of having like chunks in my drink.
That's because it's a Coke. Damn.
Yeah, I know that's obviously the point, but I don't really like that.
I'm sorry, I cannot drink this one more.
Alright, so the next drink, I think we should try the grape one.
Okay, we'll try the grape soda. This is how it looks like, kind of cool. Damn, 114% added sugars. Damn, that's crazy. Ready? Can't even taste the grape. It
Really?
just tastes like
Are
the
we supposed to
carbonated
shake it?
part. No, it's gonna pop.
There's something down there. Damn! That thing's like, bam! Carbonation.
It's strong. Huh?
You
It
could
doesn't
barely taste the grape.
You can't taste the grape. It's like really strong. The carbonating is really strong.
It has a lot of carbonation in here. Not a fan. Not a fan. Okay guys, so for the next snack, we're gonna be trying these. They're milk puffs.
Let's go ahead and try it. Oh,
Mhm.
that does not
Ew,
smell good.
let me see.
It smells like egg.
That's just the bread. This is how it's packaged.
It looks like little donut balls. You go
You get
first.
yours? No, we're gonna try it together. Ay, mijo. Okay, ready? This is how they look.
That does not smell good.
It's the bread. Ready? Oh, I feel like this is gonna make me feel nasty. Anyways, ready? 1, 2, 3. It's not bad. It's pretty good. You don't like it?
I don't like it.
It tastes kind of greasy at the end though, huh?
It's nasty. For the next one, this is what we got. I guess this description says gummies. Green apple, grape, and pineapple. So we're gonna go ahead and try this. And they're best by August 12th at 19.
Why did they need it?
Oh, that smells fucking nasty.
boo. I mean, they're cute, but
Look at the
they
little
look like a
apple.
little pineapple. Ew, they're not even good.
They're really not good. Trashing it.
I don't like it. So guys, our next little snack is food cake. Honestly, these just really look familiar to me because in elementary school I had a friend and she introduced me to these. Every time I would go to like a fish market, I would always like try looking for these because I always remember that it was like purple and like I remember I liked them, so I feel like it was this, so that's why I wanted to try these. That's why we picked them out. So here goes nothing.
All these packages have been hard as to open. No lie. I need to put her in the bag. No, right in the middle. Right in the middle. Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
We each get our own?
Or you want to try it half?
No.
Let's half it. No?
Yeah, because I feel like it's just better, you know? It's the same thing. Ew.
What is it?
I don't know why. I just can't stand the smell of egg and bakery stuff.
Here's how it looks. It's like brown and then purple in the middle. 1, 2, 3.
It's dry. Really, really dry.
It's good.
And I don't like it.
It's good. I like it. I think this is exactly what
You can take them home.
my childhood tastes like.
Alright. On to the next one.
I like it. Okay guys, so the next item is these jelly strips.
I got them because... Have you guys ever seen the Mexican version of these? I'm sure you have. They're good, so I just want to try them. Hopefully they're good as well, because I'm having really high hopes that these are good, just so I can snack on them.
I've honestly tried these when I was little, and I don't think I've liked them, but let's try them.
I'm gonna go with grape today.
Oh,
it says the flavor on this. Look, this one's grape.
Where does it say?
It shows the flavor of the.
Oh yeah, it shows a little pineapple right here. I've been going with pineapple flavor this whole video because that's just the safe way. Safe way to go.
These are the four. Well, I can't get mine to open. I'm not trying to have nothing to slap my face, you know?
Anyway,
That's good?
I mean, it's whatever. It's not nasty.
Okay, now mine's open. Give it a try. I think.
It's whatever.
I still have not gotten mine's open, dude.
That just splashed everywhere.
Right, guys.
He said, oop.
Just has how I expected them to taste, you know? They're cool.
You literally splashed it everywhere.
I know it's nasty because it's like straight up sticky.
Ew,
But-
I feel dirty. You like it?
No, but you'll see what I did. This is what we try next. It looks like orange chicken. No disrespect to whatever this is, but oh, it's
No, that's
fried
the brand.
rice.
It's basically fried rice.
Fried
crackers.
rice crackers. Yeah, fried rice crackers is what it looks like, you know.
I'm actually scared to try these because, like,
Oh,
fried rice crackers, like, that's a little, like, I've never heard that.
they don't smell too bad, but they definitely don't smell like something I would want to eat.
Okay, guys, so our camera actually died in the middle of us opening this up. I feel like it'll be good, to be honest.
Alright, go. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't. Yes. I'm not lying to you. Oh my
They're
god.
not bad.
They're
They're not bad. Okay, you're being extra.
That's nasty for real. Last one.
This is the last one.
Second to last because we still got the soda,
Oh, yeah.
but for a snack, this is the last one. Ramen snacks.
I think it's smashed. Look at that.
Looks like bird food.
Oh look, they're supposed to be like this. They're supposed to be like
they're
these little
supposed to be like-
circles.
yeah.
But I think they're like, they got smashed.
No, this looks like rat food. 1, 2.
It was good.
I wouldn't buy them. The last one. Hello Kitty soda, strawberry flavor. I'm gonna listen to Lawrence because she's really excited too. You know, do it like that.
Well, I'm gonna bring my name now.
I'll hold it so you can do it.
Ready? 1, 2. I don't
Hard.
think that's how you do it.
It is.
Damn.
You gotta like, I guess. No.
You know what? You do it. You
Okay.
do it. Wait, I want to see the magic happen.
It's going down. God, my finger.
I
What's
think
going
we're
on?
doing this wrong.
Whoever made this, what's gonna make them think, oh, let's just make a kid open this? That was really hard to push down.
I don't think I'm gonna like this. I just wanted to open it because it looks fun.
Straight sugar once again.
I'm scared. Like, my stomach is already like feeling regret. You want to try first?
It tastes like watered down Fanta.
Fanta?
Yeah, the Fanta strawberry. Oh.
It's not as bad as I thought though. Alright guys, so the screen might be a little bit crooked, but the camera's like literally about to die. So we're just gonna end the video right here. We had fun trying all these. Okay guys, the camera died again, but as I was saying, we had fun trying all these new snacks, and
they were fun. We wanted to find more, but it was really like difficult to like even find the ones we had. But maybe like one day we're like out and like we see like potential.
Maybe we'll do a part 2. Let us know if you guys want a part 2. So let us know what other challenges you guys would like to see, because we honestly enjoy filming these for you guys. We're gonna end the video right here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Give this video a thumbs up, like, and oh wait, that's what thumbs up is. Subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye.